Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Medcurity podcast. Today, we are discussing a topic that has become increasingly critical for healthcare organizations across the country: the government's intensified focus on security risk analyses, or SRAs. Now, you might have heard some recent announcements from the Department of Health and Human Services and the Office for Civil Rights. They've been making it clear that enforcement of SRAs is ramping up. This isn't just another regulatory reminder, it is a significant push to ensure that healthcare entities are conducting thorough and compliant risk analyses. So why is this happening now? Well, with their recent investigations, the OCR has found that many organizations are falling short when it comes to SRAs. Some are relying on simple yes or no questionnaires or basic tools that don't cover all areas of risk. Others are using government-provided templates without tailoring them to their specific needs as an organization. Unfortunately, these approaches often don't hold up under scrutiny, leaving organizations exposed to penalties and compliance challenges. At Medcurity, we have seen firsthand how organizations struggle with SRAs. It's not because they don't care about compliance or safeguarding patient information. Often, it is because the process can be complex and time-consuming. There's a lot to consider: your organization's systems, processes, potential vulnerabilities. The list goes on. But here's the thing: not all SRAs are created equal. A thorough risk analysis isn't just about checking boxes. It's about conducting a detailed examination of every aspect of your organization's interaction with electronic protected health information, or EPHI. Let's break this down a bit. First, consider your systems. Do you know where all your EPHI is stored? Is it on servers? Is it in the cloud? Or on employee laptops? Understanding where your data lives is the first step in protecting it. Next, think about your processes. How does information flow through your organization? Who has access to what? Are there checks and balances in place to prevent unauthorized access? And then there are the potential vulnerabilities. This could be anything from outdated software to insufficient employee training. Identifying these weak points is crucial in preventing breaches. Now, the OCR has been emphasizing that many organizations overlook critical systems that handle EPHI. They might secure their main databases, but forget about backup systems or third-party vendors who also handle sensitive information. This oversight can lead to significant risks. Moreover, relying solely on basic checklists or generic templates can leave significant gaps in your risk assessment. These tools might not account for the unique aspects of your organization. Every healthcare entity is different, and your SRA should reflect that uniqueness. So what can you do about it? At Medcurity, we specialize in helping healthcare organizations navigate the intricate landscape of HIPAA compliance. Our SRA tool is designed to cover every aspect of risk, providing a comprehensive analysis that meets all regulatory requirements. We don't just give you a generic checklist. We work with you to tailor that assessment to your specific needs. Our approach ensures that you're not just compliant on paper, but that you're genuinely securing your patients' sensitive information. After all, protecting patient data isn't just about avoiding penalties. It's about maintaining trust. Now, with the end of the year approaching, it is an excellent time to review and update your SRA. Regulatory agencies often increase enforcement actions around this time, and it's better to be proactive than reactive. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. First, increased enforcement is a reality. The OCR is stepping up investigations and enforcing penalties for inadequate SRAs. Just recently, several organizations faced substantial fines because their risk analyses didn't meet the required standards. Second, common pitfalls can trip up even the most well-intentioned organizations. Overlooking critical systems, failing to account for all data storage locations, or not regularly updating your SRA can all lead to compliance issues. Third, expert guidance truly matters here. Conducting an effective SRA requires specialized expertise and a comprehensive approach. It's not something you want to leave to chance or handle with minimal resources. Remember, The goal of an SRA isn't just to check a regulatory box, it's to protect your organization and, more importantly, your patients. In today's world where breaches are increasingly common, taking the time to conduct a thorough risk analysis is more important than ever. So, as we head into the final months of the year, I encourage you to prioritize completing your SRA. Addressing any gaps now can prevent potential issues down the road. It also provides peace of mind, knowing your organization is compliant and that you're doing everything you can to safeguard patient information. But if you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Medcurity. We're here to help guide you through the process. Our team has the expertise and tools to make the SRA process as smooth and effective as possible. The government's increased focus on SRAs is a clear signal that it is time to take a closer look at your organization's risk analysis practices. Don't wait until it's too late. Take proactive steps now to ensure you're not only compliant, but truly protecting the sensitive information entrusted to you. Thank you for joining today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how Medcurity can assist with your SRA, feel free to contact us. We're here to help. Stay safe, stay compliant, and we'll see you next time.